Good morning, students. How are you? I am your English teacher, Razia Sultana, Assistant Head Teacher, Arobara Girls High School, Kustia. I am also, as usual, going. Class 10, English First Paper, Unit 3, Lesson 2, B. Today our topic is the May. Learning outcomes. After we have studied this unit, we will be able to talk about events and festivals. Ask and answer question in fair meaning from the context. Okay, student. Now we start a new class. Pay attention. Hard. Lesson 2 start non 31 May Day. May Day or International Workers' Day is observed on May 1st all over the world today to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifice of the working people to establish an 8 hours workday. It is a public holiday in almost all the countries of the world. Since the Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe and the USA, the workers in mill and factories had been working a long shift, 14 or even more hours a day. On May 1st in 1886, inspired by the trade union, half of the workers at the McCormick Harvest Company in Chicago went to strike, demanding an 8 hours workday. 2 days later, a workers' rally was held near the McCormick Harvest Company and about 60,000 workers joined it. The rally was addressed by the labor leaders. They urged the workers to stand together, to go to with their struggle and not to give in their boss. At one point of the rally, some strikebreakers started leaving the meeting place. The strikers were down the street of Dean, then back. Suddenly, about 200 policemen attacked them with a club and revolvers. One striker was killed instantly. 5 or 6 others were seriously wounded and many others were injured. The event of May 1st, 1886 are a reminder that workers will continue to be exploited until they stand up and speak out to gain better working conditions, better pay and better lives. Okay, students. Everybody students some new and unknown words. Students, look at the blackboard. Observe. এই ওয়ার্ডটি হচ্ছে ভার্ব, এর অফসাইড হচ্ছে মার্ক, ট্রেড, এটা হচ্ছে নাউন, এর অফসাইড হচ্ছে বিজনেস। নেক্সট সেন্টেন্স হচ্ছে স্ট্রাগল, স্ট্রাগল হচ্ছে নাউন, এর অফসাইড হচ্ছে ফাইট। নেক্সট সেন্টেন্স হচ্ছে জয়েন, ওয়ার্ড হচ্ছে জয়েন, এর এটা হচ্ছে ভার্ব, অফসাইড হচ্ছে অ্যাটেন্ড। ডিমান্ড, এর হচ্ছে ভার্ব, এর অফসাইড হচ্ছে আস্ক ফর। লেবার, এটা হচ্ছে নাউন, এর অফসাইড হচ্ছে ওয়ার্কার। সাডেনলি, এই ওয়ার্ডটা হচ্ছে অ্যাডভার্ব, এর অফসাইড হচ্ছে অ্যাট ওয়ান্স। ওকে স্টুডেন্টস, ফিনিশ দ্য vocabulary. Students take some, choose the best answer. The next sentence, the result of the May day dash the working hour of the workers. Increased. Students, look at the blackboard. During the Industrial Revolution, workers had to work. Right answer হচ্ছে 8, 14 or even more. Next sentence হচ্ছে the result of the May Day dash the working hour of the workers. Increased, decreased. Next right answer হচ্ছে decreased. Okay students, have you finished? Next sentence, the movement, MOVMENT, empty. Movement of May Day was for dash of people. Dash of people. May Day was dash people. एक नंबर হচ্ছে ওয়ার্কিং ওয়ার্কে আইএনজি। দুই নম্বর হচ্ছে ক্লার্ক ক্লার্ক লেভেল LEVEL। তিন নম্বর হচ্ছে অফিসিয়াল লেভেল OFFICEL অফিসার অফিসার লেভেল LEVEL অফিসার লেভেল। Next sentence. May Day is observed. May Day is observed. OBSERVED observed dash. এক নম্বর হচ্ছে only in Bangladesh BLADESS। দুই নম্বর হচ্ছে all over the world WORLD। তিন নম্বর হচ্ছে India INTIA। The right answer is all over the world. Next sentence. C. The movement of May Day was for dash of people. Working, clerk level, officer level. Attention to working. Next sentence is May Day is observed dash only in Bangladesh, all over the world, not India, all over the world. Next sentence. The worker strangled from strangled only strangled for dash a day। এক নম্বর হচ্ছে 5 hours works। দুই নম্বর হচ্ছে 8 hours work GH 8 hours work 8 hour works। তিন নম্বর হচ্ছে 10 hour work 10 hours work। Next sentence K. The workers struggled for dash a day। 5 hours work 8 hours work না 10 hour work। The right answer হচ্ছে 8 hour works। Okay students, answer the following questions in your words. Students, take your notebook, properly the right answer. Students, look at the blackboard. Answer the question. From a reading of their first paragraph, describe why May is observed all over the world. May Day observed all over the world to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifice of the working people to establish an 8 hours work day. Next question. Since when had the workers in mill and factories been working a long shift? Since the Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe and the USA, the workers in mill and factories had been working a long shift. Next question. Whom did the trade union inspire? What did the people do after being inspired? Describe in short. Right answer হচ্ছে যে the trade union inspired the half of the workers at the McCormick Harvest Company in Chicago. The workers went on strike demanding an 8 hours work day. Next question. Who addressed the rally? What did the arts? Answer হচ্ছে the labor leaders addressed the rally. The urged the workers to stand together, to go on with the struggle and not to give in their bosses. Students, now I will give you some homework. Homework. Write an email to your friend congratulating him on his brilliant success in the SSC exam. Students, write your notebook properly. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe. Don't go out in this pandemic situation. See you again in another class. Okay, students.